In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video in Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, export it at the right quality, and download the finished file to your computer without any confusion. Start on the Renderforest homepage and sign into your account if you aren't already. From there, head to your projects area, often labeled My Projects or Videos. This is where all your drafts, previews, and completed videos are stored. If you have many projects, use the search or sort tools to quickly find the one you want to download. Open the project you need and click Edit to launch it in the video editor. This ensures you're exporting the latest version with any adjustments you've made. Take a moment to review your scenes, text, and audio, and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you make changes, let the editor save before moving on so you don't miss any updates in the export. Look to the top right corner of the editor and select Export. This tells Renderforest to prepare your video for rendering. If the platform asks you to confirm or save, go ahead and do that. Exporting starts the process of turning your editable project into a downloadable video file. Next, choose the quality that fits your needs. Depending on your plan, you'll see options such as standard definition, HD, or full HD. Higher resolutions look sharper but may take longer to render and can require a paid plan. Pick the quality that matches your destination. Social media stories and quick previews often work fine with lower resolutions, while presentations, ads, and website banners look best in HD or higher. If you're unsure, choose HD as a balanced option. Now click Download. Renderforest will queue and render your project, which can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on length, effects, and server load. Keep the tab open until you see that the video is ready. When the download begins, your browser may ask where to save the file. Otherwise, it will go straight to your Downloads folder. If you prefer a specific folder, choose it now and rename the file so it's easy to find later. If rendering takes a while, you can leave the page open or return to your projects and download it once it's finished. That's it. You went from your home page to projects, opened the editor, exported, selected a quality, and downloaded your video. Save a backup, and you're ready to share or publish wherever you like.